Hello. Welcome. This video is about how you can change the size of an image for free, and in a matter of seconds. The tool that we will be using is called Paint. Paint is a tool that is already installed on most computers. To access Paint, click on your computer's Start icon and then click on Paint. If you do not see an icon labeled Paint, type the word Paint into your computer's search box. Then click on Paint. If Paint is not already on your computer, type Paint Download into your Windows search box and then click on Paint Free. Then click on Get from MS Store. And click on Open. Once installed, click on Paint. This will open your Paint dashboard. Click on where it says File. Near the top left. Click on Open. Click on where your image is located, and then click on the image. The image will now show up in your Paint dashboard. Above the word Image, click on Resize and Skew. A box will open for Resize and Skew. You can use percentage or you can use pixels. For example, on percentage, if you click on horizontal and replace 100 with 60, your image will be reduced to 60% of its original size. If you typed in 160, your image would be increased to 160% of its original size. Paint will automatically maintain your aspect ratio. If you click on pixels, your original image size will appear in the horizontal and vertical areas. You can click on the horizontal or vertical number and change it to the size that you need. And Paint will maintain your aspect ratio automatically. If you do not want to keep the aspect ratio, click on the icon between the two numbers. That will shut off the automatic aspect ratio. When you have set your horizontal and vertical numbers to where you want them, click OK. Your image will now appear in its new size. If you are satisfied with the new size, click on File. On the drop-down, click on Save As. Choose the format that you want. In the drop-down, choose where you want to store your new image, such as desktop, and name your new image followed by its new size. As you can see, resizing an image with Paint is easy and fast and free. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give a big thumbs up right now. Thank you. Allow me to invite you to consider joining Mr. P's channel so he can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this next.